Well, just this is fucking great. 10 out of 10 to be honest.
I'm coming. Where?
Inside the one.
Alright.
Behind you, T-Rock. I'm coming through the window.
I'm coming up. I'm at the build-up.
I'm looting. He's got half an inventory of bolts. Let me loot. I need a gun.
I'm here. Oh, at the door.